No, he's about to.
Outbreak of wildfires has most of Oklahoma under a state of emergency tonight. High wind and severe drought are creating blowtorch conditions. At least one person has died. More than 200,000 acres have burned. 1,400 people have been forced from their homes. David Begnaud is there.
Guys, we got another house in the path of the fire.
In VC, Oklahoma tonight, wildfires are threatening the rural community of nearly 700 people, burning homes and killing cattle.
They're shooting back into the wind. They can't reach the fire.
In some places, the fire is spreading a mile every 8 to 12 minutes.
Come here, get out of there. That wind changed.
Since yesterday, more than 200,000 acres have burned across rural areas of western Oklahoma.
All these power lines, just saw 3 head of dead cattle.
The largest fire burning is the Ray Fire in Dewey County. That fire is 28 miles long and 7 miles wide. There's a new tool Oklahoma firefighters have. It's called the GOES 16 satellite. It was launched last year. It's precise enough that forecasters at the National Weather Service are spotting small flames in rural areas before they are reported by people on the ground. It is a crucial tool that has alerted firefighters to 40 spot fires in the last 48 hours. There is a 61-year-old man who died because of these fires. I asked a fire official, what is it going to take in order to gain some containment on these blazes? And he said a change in weather. And tonight, Jeff, as the wind shifts, the weather's changing, but it's not for the better.
Frightening conditions there. David Begnaud in Oklahoma, thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, we're northeast of Leedy right now, and I can tell you right now, this fire, the flames are 60 feet tall at times. 60 feet, that's 6 stories tall, and just running like crazy with the wind. Embers are going for miles. David, I can see fire, smoke coming from the ground, not just the fire, not smoke from the sky, but smoke coming from the ground for 10 miles either direction from here. It's that big, it's coming out of the river, and we're gonna stay on it, David. Back to you.
Maybe that helped, but he prepared to bail out there.
Yeah, we got to make sure this doesn't come up and get us.
Yeah.
Hundreds of thousands of acres in Oklahoma, and now they have turned deadly. A woman was found dead in her car in Dewey County yesterday. That's in western Oklahoma. The car had been burned by fire. Wildfires there have burned more than 366,000 acres so far. Meantime, some people are being forced from their homes as this fire spreads.
We got all of our important stuff out of the house, and we sat up here and waited on fire trucks. I've never seen nothing like it in my life. And I'm glad they're here. They're doing a terrific job.
About 1,400 people in Oklahoma have been forced from their homes. One of the fires is so big that it stretches almost 40 miles across at its widest point. Low humidity and strong winds have been fueling the flames.
I got him, Tommy. Yeah, roger that. It's top of your screen. Thing right there. He's lost every barn he's got. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear him.
A mile away from the house, trying to keep the fire from getting up there around it. And the fire trucks went over there and sprayed the house and kept it wet till the fire went by. They had to do that on another fire about 4 years ago.
With water hoses.
Cattle rancher Jolynn Easterwood says it's too early. to know exactly what her family has lost. What would you say to people who say, this is just wide open land?
Do you like to eat? Because this is where it comes from. This is the heart of it. This is the cattle that are in the grocery store. This is livelihood. This is people's life that's on fire. It's not just land.